Hi everyone! If you like this video and want to be the first to get more great content from Hobbycraft, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell. To make these macrame egg hangers, we have used Knitcraft Return of the Mac. To start, cut the following lengths. 6 lengths of 80 cm in main colour, 1 length of 1 metre in main colour, and 1 length of 1 metre in contrast colour. Find the centre of the 80 cm lengths. Create a gathering knot using the 1 metre length in main colour, approximately 5 cm long. Wrap neatly but not too tight. Fold the gathering knot in half to create a U shape, and using the same string as before, continue to wrap around all the strings until the yarn has nearly run out. Place the end of the string through the loop and then pull the beginning of the string to secure the knot. Keep pulling until the loop disappears under the wrapped section. Divide strings into groups of 4. Create 1 square knot with each group, approximately 8 cm down from gathering knot. Repeat until you have worked all strings. Now take 2 strings from one group and 2 strings from the next group and create a square knot 2 cm down from the previous row of square knots. Repeat this until you have worked all of the strings. Using 1 metre length in your contrast colour, create a gathering knot approximately 3 cm down from the last row of knots. Make the gathering knot approximately 3 cm long. Cut the tassels to your chosen length. Repeat the process above, switching the contrast and main colours. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and share your makes with Hobbycraft.